Now that the dust has settled from Alibaba's IPO, or initial public offering, we can clearly gaze upon one of the world's largest publicly traded companies. The IPO was a record for the U.S. stock market. The initial offering at $68 a share, in the press, it was stated that $21 billion of that stock was sold. But actually the figure was $25 billion when 48 million more shares were released. This was the initial offering to the non-public sector. On the first day of trading, Jack Ma, Alibaba's founder, became one of the world's wealthiest individuals. Not bad for a former school teacher and someone who was told he was not qualified to manage a Kentucky Fried Chicken restaurant. By day's end, the IPO on Thursday, September 18, 2014, well over $200 billion in public stock was sold. To get a perspective on the size of this company and its future potential, here are some interesting facts to consider. Alibaba has more employees than Facebook and Yahoo combined, over 20,000. In 2013, it generated over $240 billion in sales from just 2 of its websites. This is more than twice the sales of Amazon and 3 times that of eBay. It experienced 3 times the sales of our Black Friday, almost $6 billion on the Chinese version of Black Friday. It has almost 3 million suppliers and over 35 million products for sale. When you add up all of the suppliers on all of their portals, it's over 3 million. There are over 230 million active buyers using Alibaba portals. Just take, for example, their website called Tmall. Over 200 million people per month visit and use the site. Now add to the equation the fact that half of China's population is not yet online, and Alibaba will easily become the first e-commerce company to generate over $1 trillion in sales. The companies that Alibaba owns cover a wide range of financial interests. In this course, we are only going to focus on Alibaba.com and AliExpress.com as sourcing sites for product resale on eBay, Amazon, and Etsy. The next page shows all of its holdings and what each is involved in. It is important to realize that Alibaba has a very strong foundation and a wide range of interests. As you can see from this list, Alibaba has tremendous diversity and balance. Here's a list of all of the different companies on the left that Alibaba Group owns, what they deal in, and the equivalent on the right of the American version of the same website. And this list does not even include AliExpress.com and Alibaba.com. While most of these sites are unfamiliar to the Western world, many companies outside China are placing their products on these sites and taking advantage of their income potential. For example, on Tmall, a number of large American corporations are trying to get a presence on this website. It's very difficult to do, but the income potential is unbelievable. Our focus will be on Alibaba.com and AliExpress.com. Alibaba.com is typically described as a business-to-business site where you, as a business owner, buy product at wholesale prices for import and resale on sites like Amazon. AliExpress.com is a retail site allowing anyone to buy product in single increments, unlike Alibaba.com, which focuses on larger purchases at much lower prices. Individuals can purchase on either site, and you do not need to verify yourself as a business entity to do so. It is important to have faith in Alibaba as a company because it has received bad press over the years. Sites like YouTube are not very complimentary. Typically, people who have had bad experiences on Alibaba.com record their frustrations, often telling horror stories of how they got cheated and how products purchased were substandard. These issues still occur today, but they are becoming much less of a problem. Have no fear. You can buy quality product from quality vendors on these sites. I have done it, and I will show you how.